The customers expect uptime 100%. And when we started with Extreme in 2009, we did not have that great uptime. 2018, we installed Fabric, and the uptime has been very good after that. The customers want to stay online all the time. What the Fabric did is that earlier we took VLANs all over the network. Now it's so much easier. We save them so much time doing our job, so it's just perfect. We finally can focus on what we should be focusing on. We're supposed to focus on giving the best service to our customers and keep the uptime as good as possible. And we think we are succeeding with that. The stability of the equipment is very good. We have had great support. We are running the Fabric and we get attention right away if there's a problem. Just great support.